Welcome to part 2 of the not so easy to cook fish head curry. Now, in this part, I'm just going to show you all the ingredients that you've got to put together. Don't be daunted, don't panic. There is no need because it is quite simply a matter of assembling everything before you do the final cooking. It's just like if you're doing a painting, you need all the colors, or if you are singing in a choir and you need all the different parts coming together. At the end of it, you will have a fantastic dish. Let's start with 4 tablespoons of the fish curry powder. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil or olive oil, whichever you prefer. Stir it about. Cut all the vegetables as shown into slices. Deseed the chilies. Quarter the tomatoes. Slice the onions and the aubergines. Now that tamarind knob of tamarind that you see, which was soaked in water earlier and which you have already sieved to use the seeds and the pulp in the fish marinade. Don't throw away the water that you have sieved through. That will be used later as well. Pound the garlic and the ginger together, nice and fine. And then once everything is done, you're ready to go to part 3.